Hello everyone, welcome to another video, this time about creating an online store using Django, more specifically Django Oscar. I will be following these posts in my blog, so probably will be doing one video for each one of them, and I will try to cover the most important parts of Django Oscar. Uh, say payment methods, customization, emails, creating products, creating categories. Let's start by opening the first post. By the way, I'm going to leave this link in the description. For this video, I'll just be introducing you to Django Oscar and give you a way to understand if this makes sense for you right now. So this is their Read the Docs page, and they have a lot of information in here. Now, what I want to show you first, it's their example page. So the sandbox should be around here. Sample Oscar projects, the sandbox site, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the link. So I've visited before. It's latest.oscarcommerce.com. I'm gonna open that. Okay, let me go back and open it in a new tab. And at first, Django Oscar will look like this, more or less. They already have categories in here and products. Now keep in mind, don't be surprised if this looks a bit messy, because anyone can access the dashboard of Django Oscar example page. So if you want, you can come here to this platform and add your own products, not to sell them. It's just for the example. It's exactly to test the the procedures, to see if it makes sense for you, if you like it. I've logged in previously. Let me log out and return to the login page. Now you can create your own account, or if you want, they also provide you with a user. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you have the username super user, email. I'm just going to copy the email, and the password is testing. Paste that email and fill that password, and now you log in into the Django Oscar dashboard. Again, this is common to many people. Anyone can log in here and mess all of this. They reset this every 24 hours. So, in the end of the day, this will be looking new. Okay, what can I tell you, like, quite briefly about this? Is the dashboard. So the first page, it's going to be a lot more the general information. Then you have the catalog tab. In here you can create categories for your products, product types, and products. Will focus on this three. You can check your orders at fulfillment. You have customers. So these are your clients in general. Then you have some more options. Reviews, you can create pages easily. We'll cover these topics during these Django Oscar videos. Most of them, not all, a lot of them. Now let me return to the site. A lot of people, I think, will ask, but wait, will it always look like this? Does it look like this always? Let me take that out of the way. You can customize this however you want. If you want to make this look like Amazon or AliExpress, you can. It's up to you. You have access to the whole templates. Now, yeah, the procedure would be you add a product to the basket. You can go to the basket, or you can go directly to the checkout. You can change things in a way that okay, maybe you're selling digital goods, you don't need an address. Okay, that type of things you can change easily, I would say. But if you want to put the address after the shipping or the payment, this will be more complicated. Okay, so in here you select the payment methods. They are just using this with the continue button. Then you go to a preview page and you have this place order. And there you go, the confirmation page. Okay, this is the general procedure. We can make this a little bit more efficient without a lot of work. But yeah, I want you to be aware that the procedure will be something similar to this. They have this option for translations. You can go with it, it's optional. The dashboard is only available for super users or admins. Then you have a profile, you have the order history, addresses, and stuff like that. Wish list, notifications. Yeah, this is about it. Will I make it easy for you? Yes. So, in the end of the day, if you go through the videos, I would say it's going to be easy. So there you go, a quick introduction to Django Oscar. And yeah, hope you liked it and hope to see you in my other videos.